Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have 7 of moons in reverse, 9 of moons and the lovers in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are in a situation today, maybe you have a lot of dreams, goals and aspirations, guys, and you are working towards that. Maybe you are concentrating too much on your dreams or fantasies. Maybe it is time you need to focus on the reality, your practical situation. So maybe for some of you, you should not get carried away with the dreams or fantasies you have and not pay attention to the practical reality, guys. So that may land you in some difficult situation. So you need to understand that you need to work towards those dreams and goals, but at the same time you should concentrate in the things that are right in front of you today, guys. And maybe for some of you, due to some reason, things may take a difficult turn. You may see some obstacles, some stressful situations in your life today, and maybe the people you trusted, they may not live up to that expectation you have of them. So some kind of uncertainty, and maybe for some of you, there were people really important working with you, helping you in your work, but they may leave you suddenly. They may get transferred to a different place or they may leave for some other reasons. So again, some difficulties or worries because of that in your work situation, or it may be a situation in your relationship, guys. Maybe this person you love, they are planning to move away from you for some reasons. Maybe they have work or they need to move away for their job, or they are moving to a different city maybe. So some kind of a separation. It may be a temporary separation, guys, but it is worrying you today, guys, Taurus. But Taurus, you need not this difficulties or some uncertain situations, it may not last long, guys, because I also see that your situation is going to change and you are going to come out of any difficulty that you are facing today. So in your work, maybe whatever difficulties, you are going to come out of it. You are going to land lucrative opportunities for yourself. And the problems that you face in your personal life, maybe this separation or isolation, that is going to come to an end, and you are going to see harmony and balance and all your troubles coming to an end today, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, for your general energies. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys. For those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for y'all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life, we must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.